little Broly was fast asleep in his bed, snuggling with his favorite ball toy. And he snuggled in and said, "I love you, Ba," he said, squeezing the little toy. And he said, "I love my kitty cat. I love my kitty." And then he fell asleep, snuggling the little toy tight to his chest. And then he fell asleep, knowing that everything was going to be okay. But then, all of a sudden, he heard a boom, clash, boom, boom. And he saw lightning flash against his window. And he got so scared. He said, "Oh no, lightning, thunderstorm, I'm scared," little Broly said. And he saw the lightning, and he hugged his little toy tighter and tighter, and said, "I'm scared. Ba, are you scared?" he said. And Broly got up, and he got so scared that he wasn't going back to sleep because he was afraid. He was so scared that he couldn't even close his eyes. He was so scared that he began to cry. "I want Papa, I want Papa," he said. "Daddy, Daddy, Daddy." "I'm scared," he said, as tears went down his cheeks. And he wrapped himself in the blanket. But he saw more lightning and he heard thunder. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Crash, boom. And he said, "I'm scared. I want my dad." And then all of a sudden he dropped his favorite toy on the floor. And when he was about to pick it up, he saw the lightning he saw the lightning flash against his window again. And he was running around the whole house and said, "Thunder, thunder, 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 thunder." And then he bumped into his father, Paragus. And Paragus said, "Broly, what's the matter, son? Shouldn't you be in bed?" "I just lightning, Daddy." "Oh, son, it's okay. I'm scared." "Shh, don't be scared, Broly. It's alright." "But, Dad, it's so scary. Why does lightning have to be scary?" "Well, honey, it's normal. Sometimes the lightning is strong, but you should always be sure that Daddy will always protect you, and he won't let no one hurt his little Broly." But I'm scared, Papa. I'm scared," he said, as he saw lightning flash against the window. And his daddy said, "Don't be scared, my little Broly. Shh. Don't be scared, my son, because I love you so much. Okay?" "Okay, Dad." "Here, do you want some warm milk?" "Yes, Papa." And then his daddy gave him a sippy cup of warm milk. And little Broly sat on his daddy's lap and began to drink his milk. "Thank you, Daddy." "You're welcome, son. Now drink that, and that will make you feel better, okay?" And then his daddy rubbed his back gently with his hand and began to comfort his son and said, "Don't be afraid, my little Broly. Everything's going to be okay, Broly." But why does the thunder have to be scary, Daddy?" "Well, honey, it's just normal to be loud, but everything's gonna be okay, Broly." "Broly?" "Oh, good night, my little boy," he said. The end. and Broly fell asleep on his daddy's lap. The end.